Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best app that will earn you money really fast. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, we're getting so close to 6,000. We're less than 70 subscribers away. So keep doing what you're doing, guys. Keep sharing my videos, hitting that like button, and we're going to get there before the end of this month of May. We got 10 more days left in this month. So let's get there before the end of this month. Okay, guys. This app is absolutely free to download. It's very easy, and you're going to have fun with this app. And plus, you're going to be making an impact on the world with this app, guys. So please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this app. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, guys, I'm at the Google Play Store and I pulled up this app. The name of the app is Premise. Earn rewards for surveys, photos, and tasks. So let's look at the screenshots so you can get an understanding of what this app is all about. So what you're going to be doing, guys, is share local knowledge, earn extra rewards. So you're going to complete tasks in your area at any time. And you're going to take surveys. So you're going to join a community of contributors. And you're going to be able to explore, earn rewards by submitting photos. So you're going to earn rewards for each task that's approved, and you'll be able to get started just by choosing one of these provider so you can get your reward sent to you. So you got Payoneer, PayPal, and Coinbase. All right, let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more about this app, guys. So here are the Premise features. So map your community. So you're going to get rewards while you capture what's happening in your community. Each rewards for sharing insights that reflect your reality, your thoughts, and your community. Make real rewards for sharing information relevant to your city, from traffic jams to local events to supermarket sales. You're going to earn real rewards, so earn rewards from tasks and photos. Choose tasks that fit your lifestyle based on how much time you have. Earn more when you do more. So share your opinion, get rewarded for your insights. Your opinion matters. Surveys for organizations and community leaders that value your feedback. Premise makes it easy to capture and share your thoughts. And also, guys, you're going to be making an impact. So earn real rewards for sharing real data to drive real change. Join Premise growing network of 1,000 contributors all around the world. Complete tasks every day to help make policies, products, and services better for everyone. So guys, not only are you going to get paid to do little simple tasks in your area, you're also going to be making an impact on the world when you do these tasks, guys. All right, let's scroll down and look at the review and the rating. So the rating is 3.8. I know it's a little bit below 4.0, which I always say 4.0 is a good app, but this is a pretty good app. Sometime when it's a low grade, it means that the app probably has some few little glitches or issues going on, but that's really nothing, guys, as long as it provides what it needs to provide and pays you the money. So let's look at one of the reviews. So this guy named John, he says this app is the greatest of all time. He really liked this app. It's super easy to finish the small survey tasks and get paid doing so. The travel tasks are a little more complicated. Make sure to check the details before completing, but it's fun and rewarding. Communication of any problems are dealt with and explained. So guys, this person is satisfied with this app. He says the greatest of all time, and get paid for doing it, for doing the little tasks. So this is not a fraud, it's not a scam or anything. This is a legit app, and you're going to get paid for all the tasks that you completed. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I'm going to say about this app. So name of the app again is Premise. Earn rewards for a survey, photos, and tasks, and it's also available at the Apple App Store. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me, and drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app, and share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. So let me tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is type this word that's going to pop up on the screen right about now. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So type that down there in the comments below right about now. Okay, guys, one more thing before I go. I want to give a shout out. I'm gonna try to keep doing shout outs every video. So I have a shout out to give to this person right now. I'm gonna flash their comment on the screen right about now. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate it. Hope you're a subscriber. Keep sharing my videos. Keep watching my videos, because we're going to the top on this channel, guys. All right. That's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you want to watch more videos, guys, I have a lot of videos on my channel, so go watch these videos right here until my next one come out. Peace.